Wallace, member of the European Parliament from Ireland, said on Thursday that the accusations of human rights situation in China's Xinjiang lack evidence, and are backed up by weapons industry-funded think tanks, and groups on the payroll of CIA cutouts.
How many times have we had to listen to accusations about China, backed up by nothing more than the say-so of weapons industry-funded think tanks, and groups on the payroll of CIA cutouts like the National Endowment for Democracy? Where are the full and rigorous investigations, the evidence? Screaming unsupported accusations is not how to conduct international relations. These are McCarthyite smear tactics, which expose the racist and fanatic ideology driving the groups making these claims. We have clear evidence of widespread slave labour in the world's largest prison system, in the world's most repressive police state, the United States of America. Can we start talking about them?